What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy George, and today we're bringing you a really cool racing project. Okay, if you're into F1, if you're into all that racetrack stuff, I'm a big fan of Lewis Hamilton, so get ready for the most professional project that I've shown you, all to do with racing. Super cool. Wait until I show you the white paper. There's a trick. Stay tuned for the white paper, it's super cool. Before we get in, you know how it goes. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so I can get on here, hang out with you, have some fun, hopefully make some money, but get the projects on your radar before everyone else. Let's get straight in. So here we go, guys. It's PISTONToken.com that you're going to go on to. Now, as soon as you click on, it's going to ask you to connect your wallet. You can connect whichever you want. I do recommend, I'm not a financial advisor, but MetaMask is the one that I use. Very, very good. And all the links will be down below, so please only use trusted links. So let's click MetaMask. So I've connected my wallet now, and it's asking me to connect the BSC mainnet. If you don't know how to do that, please look up YouTube video on how to get the BSC mainnet. I'm going to do that now. So there I have, I've connected it to the BSC mainnet. Here we go. So the website, we have the start button, the swap buy, the race, the airdrop. Super cool. It's going to start telling you about the Piston token. So it's a Binance BSC token built on the best in-class decentralized technology. Piston was designed to run an ecosystem, earn rewards by depositing your tokens in the Piston Race dashboard app. You can see here the Piston value going down. It's been going down for a little bit now, but crypto right now is in a complete bear market. So do not worry. I do believe everything's going to start climbing very soon. Here's your contract address, so you can put that into anything you like. Just click the copy button so you don't get it wrong. And we have the white paper. Now, going down, we have token race, the roadmap statistics, and the team. We're going to talk about a little bit now. So let's talk about the token and the race. So it's built to run an ecosystem. Like we said, it's fully tradable and available to everyone. Okay, you get 10% tax on buy exchange, only 10% tax on sell. The total supply is 1 million PSTN. The buy sell fees, 1% marketing, 2% to liquidity, which is pancake swap, 7% to contract balance. And there is a referral reward system. Okay, it's the pit crew boost. It locks tokens out of circulation as long-term deflationary measures, and you can look more into the white paper. Please do that, do your own research. Talking about the race, now this is the really fun bit. So the dashboard app for depositing your Piston tokens, you can reinvest to maximize your APY. Max the payout, 365% of your deposited amount. It's 1% a day for the year. Earn 1% a day, like I just said. Withdraw initial investment, and 5% direct referral reward system. So you're also getting paid to share this opportunity. Okay, so deposit fees, 5% to upline, round robin, 5% to contract balance. The claim fee will be 10% to the contract balance. Super, super cool. They do have a disclaimer there. Please note that. Take a picture, screenshot if you need to. The contract locked. So at state-of-the-art tech provider, it's our responsibility to efficiently deliver improvements and patches to the DAPP, which is the decentralized apps. Okay, as needed mid-race, and our proxy smart contract makes this possible. You can see here the DeFi hackathon. We take this security seriously. They've got Immunify. Immunify is massive in the space, so you can be sure that everything is going to be put to the protocol that they need. And now the roadmap. They've done it in this kind of racing scenario. It's really cool. So autopilot, May 1st, 2022. Then we go into the lottery side, which is June the 30th, 2022. Then test drive, same year in August, which is the alpha. Then we have the NFT marketplace, September. I am super excited for that. I can't wait for the marketplace to be ready. Claimable NFT avatar, so you're gonna get your avatar in October 2022. Test drive the beta at the end of the year, so just before Christmas in December. And the game marketing place is opening February 2023. That's my birthday, so we're gonna be super excited about that. The game beta March is in 2023, the game launch, and merchandise is undefined right now, but you can imagine, just like F1 merchandise shops and things like that, this is gonna be very, very cool. A little bit about the statistics. Here we've got the Piston market cap. Like I said, we've got that many PSTN. Race deposited, 723 million already. Okay, holders, 6,620. 98% of race users, and we have 6,510 race users. Now the team, they've got them in these sort of top trump iconic cards, like a card collection. It's really cool. So we have the iconics, the legendaries, and we have the rares. And normally we have uncommon, but here we have standard, right? Super, super cool. So on the team, you can see Team Philly Trads, experience 20 years. You can get his Telegram name, what role he has, and skipping through. Look through all the experience, 5 years, 3 years, 14 years experience, 10 years experience, 15 years experience. What I'm trying to say is this is incredible from all different nations, the experience we have going into this team. Incredible, okay? Now I've clicked on white paper to give you a little look, and I'm not going to go through every single slide here, right? I'm actually not going to go through a lot of them because I want you to get in here and do your own research. But one of the things that I wanted to point out. If you haven't noticed already through this video how professional this project is, with their card collection as their team, not just a picture of the team, everything that's going on their website, the roadmap going like a racetrack. And now, have you ever seen a white paper look this good? Normally white papers, you click on them, you get lost in the matrix. There's so many letters, so many words. You have to watch a YouTube video to understand what's going on. Look at this. This looks like I've just gone onto an F1 track and I'm learning to drive a car, and they're doing it in a fun way. Okay, it's so professional. How is this a race? It tells you everything about it. I love everything about this. So please, there's only 14 pages, as you can see. Go through and have a look. It's really easy to read. I'm a big believer in having pictures on slides because it makes it more interesting. Super, super easy. So please do your own research. Click on that white paper. It's not like the Matrix. It's actually really professional, as you can see. Here's their Twitter. It's myDeFi_team. Okay, they've got 3,258 followers. Give them a follow. Tell them you're from this channel. Tell them George sent you. Have a look at a bit of the trailers they have, a bit of previews. Like I said, the experience that I've already showed you, they've got everything. Not just racing, not just building, but everything. Even the media side. Super, super cool. Please get on there, interact, let them know you're from us, okay? Give a big follow. And all the links are on there, the YouTube, everything like that, and their team. Please, please only use trusted links. The links will be down below as well. So that is it from me, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button as hard as you can. Hit that subscribe button, and please, that little bell, tap that notification bell so you can get notified as soon as I'm ready to go again, which is gonna be pretty soon. Okay, have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.